guys, it's Kim. My name's Kim, in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for another video. If you're new, then welcome. So today is an unboxing. I got five packages to go through. So I don't know if this is going to be one video or two videos. We're just going to have to see. But most of this is PR. Other things are just gifted, and some things are for some sponsored posts either here or on Instagram. So we're just gonna get into it. The first brand is a black owned brand, and it is called Koko Plums Beauty. Look at how cute the packaging is, you guys. Get into it. So when you first open the box, you see their cute thank you card. I will link their Instagram and website below. So they sent me 4 products. This will be a collaboration. I will post a few times for them for some sponsored content, a video here and some posts on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, make sure you head over there. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed, of course. So the first product is the Growth Serum. It has ingredients like sunflower oil, hemp seed oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, chamomile, cedarwood, rosemary, thyme, and a bunch of other ones. It's definitely giving me rosemary and chamomile. I think those are the two I smell the most, and it smells so good. So this product says that it helps promote and maintain scalp health and nourish and stimulates your hair for growth. The next product is their Black Castor shampoo. It has ingredients like aloe leaf juice, rosemary, lavender, vitamin B, and a whole bunch of other things. Ooh, mango fragrance. This smells so good. Like, it's giving me fruity with a little bit of like a little essential oily type scent, which is perfect. Wow, it smells like I mentioned this in my unboxing on Instagram, but it reminds me of what is it called? Those sweet tart what are those things called? Candy canes. It smells just like that to me, and those are my favorite candy canes. So this is just, it's already taking me into the winter and the fall seasons, which I'm completely ready for because I hate being hot. But anywho, the next product is the Black Castor conditioner. Some of the ingredients include aloe vera juice, fatty acid, black castor oil, rosemary, peppermint, and vitamin E. This also has mango fragrance. This scent is stronger than the shampoo to me. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells just like the shampoo, just a little bit stronger. My shower's gonna smell so good on this wash day. I can't wait. And I believe the wash day video is actually the one that will be on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. The final product I have is the Black Castor Moisturizing Hair Cream. It says that it's full of moisture. It utilizes a blend of ingredients such as black castor oil and aloe to moisturize and strengthen your hair. So all these products, except for the oil, have aloe and black castor oil. Some of the ingredients include aloe vera, rosemary, lavender, soybean oil, black castor oil, palm oil. Yeah, so a lot of these products have pretty much like the same kind of oils in them, which I like. I like it when they stay consistent. We love that. But y'all, I don't think we talked about the branding, the packaging. Guys, this marble is such a nice touch. Wow, this is giving me luxury. This is giving me luxury. But yes, so those are the 4 products I have from them. Okay, you guys, so the next brand I'm unboxing is for See Your Beauty. She sent me 2 packages. So this first one has a sweet dragon fruit facial wash. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have to smell this. You guys, I'm just now starting to like get into the different parts of skincare. Like before I used to just wash my face and like put lotion on it, but like now I'm learning like you really got to put the effort in to see, you know, results. And this face wash is about to be bomb. Like, do you see it has like the little, oh, it looks just like the dragon fruit. Oh my goodness. And it smells amazing. It is how many ounces? 4 ounces. Y'all. Excited. Next is the watermelon and cucumber juice revitalizing facial mist, and this is 2 ounces. Oh my goodness. One thing about See Your Beauty, they're gonna come with the scents, and the scents are always on point. This smells amazing. This smells exactly how they described it. I can smell the cucumber and I can smell the watermelon. Bomb. Last in this first box is the Ooh La La Rose facial oil, and this is also 2 ounces. This smells like, it has like a light rose scent, but mostly it's just giving me like a good oil. Like it smells like rose and oil. So it tones down the scent of just roses. And I completely love that. So let's get into the second little package they sent me. Okay, so we have the grape soda lip scrub. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. And I definitely need a lip scrub. Like, I definitely need that. Okay, what is this? Ooh, Flawless Ooh La La Pink Lemonade Silky Glide Lip Gloss. Oh my goodness. I need to get into this. Oh, this is so pretty. This is what it looks like. I don't know how many ounces it is, but it, ooh, it has a little flex in it. Super cute. If I didn't already have lip gloss on, you know I would have literally just put this on my face. But let's smell it at least. See, I was expecting it to like just smell like pink lemonade, but this smells like cocoa butter. Okay, it's really gonna moisturize my lips, huh? And literally, I didn't have to open this grape one to smell it. Like, it's that strong. I love the smell of grape though, so we good. So that is everything I have from See Your Beauty. They sent me some good stuff. My face is about to smell so good, y'all. So the next brand I have is Lust Brands. It is hair care. I forgot to mention that See Your Beauty is Black women owned. We love to see it. This brand is woman owned, but she is not Black. I'm not sure her nationality. So when I first opened the box, it has a little greeting card and it gives me tips on how to use the products. So we like that. It came with a black scarf. I forgot to mention, this is a gifted box, just gifted. Why did I just open this whole thing up, y'all? Ooh, it's cute. And big. Yes. Okay. Okay, scarf. Okay. So their products come in a 3-step system. So the first one is the sulfate-free shampoo. It says for all curl types, and it has shea butter and moringa oil, and it is 8.5 ounces. It kind of smells like baby powder to me, I think would be the right term. I think it's baby powder. But yeah. I turned it a little too hard. There we go. Okay. And to use this product, the cap actually opens at the bottom, so you squeeze it like this, which is really beneficial. So like when I have it up on the shelf, it can stand up straight. Love that. Next is a silicone-free conditioner, and this is obviously step 2. This also has shea butter and moringa oil. It's for all curl types, and it's also 8.5 ounces. It smells just like the other product. It's not bad. It's just literally like a clean scent. I guess it's more like clean than like baby powder. I don't know what I'm saying. I really am not the best with scents. You have to catch me on a good day. This looks like it's gonna be thick though, so I'm excited. And the last product is the all-in-one repair, hydrate, and style. This is for kinky and coily hair. This also has shea butter and moringa oil, and it is also 8.5 ounces. And it smells just like the other products. Nice and fresh and clean. So you guys tell me, do you want to see a video on these products? And also, do you guys want me to start incorporating skincare into my YouTube channel? Because now I'm excited to try my new stuff from First Year Beauty. And I'm also excited to try this. So let me know down below what brand you want me to use on my channel. Thank you so much. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I think I've already mentioned that, but make sure you're following me on Instagram because a lot of this stuff will be on Instagram as well. All right, y'all. So like I said, I think I'm going to break this video up because I think this one is long enough. I just went through 3 packages and I have one big one and then another one left. So I think I'm going to stop the video here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can also find all of my coupon codes in the description box as well. And I will also include these companies' information in there too. Plus, I have a coupon code for First Year Beauty, so make sure you check into that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!